Due to battery, my right click not working properly. There is difference in clicking sounds too. There are 6 small screws. I opened the back lid and removed the battery already. There is too much dust at fan and other parts. Battery before. This battery is swollen and I was going to remove the air inside it. It can be done with help of pin. Do a puncture in the battery like shown in the video. Similarly, puncture the remaining other parts too. After puncture, remove all the air from the battery. Now cover all the holes with tape. I removed the dust. The fan is quite dirty, but now it is fine. These are before and after pictures. The local battery that is swollen. Surprisingly, the battery is fully charged.